neon glow. Ollama running on the GPU below. Coding in the dark, compilers running clean. Building custom patches for the virtual machine. We don't do the bloatware, we don't do the delay. We write the code ourselves and change the way we play. Putting up the Genesis grid.
Hey everybody, this is Code from Genesis Grid Labs. I was going to show you how to set it up and what it does. It's basically a desktop application. It was meant for an option to get like a free system for people that can't afford it, or they just want something simple, a simple setup. It's an all-in-one. Pretty much it's got a lot of things to show you, so we'll get started. We got your system execution tools, which I might add some more here soon. We got OpenRouter API key. You can put one in, and you can get some free models out there too, or paid ones. You can put your paid API keys in, and it'll work. You can go to FreeLLMAPI and put a code in, and then I would put auto here, because then it'll let you cycle through once you use all your tokens. We also have a Telegram bot. Now that you go to BotFather on Telegram, and basically it'll just set everything up for you, and then for your chat ID key, you would go to user info on Telegram, which is another bot, and it'll be able to tell you your chat ID, and then you can start messaging right away, add it, and then start messaging back and forth to control your desktop app. We added NCP servers, so you can add some of those if you want. We added your agent skills, but I'm going to add probably some more for that too. And there's an option to add your custom skills. If you don't want to go through like all the setup of the OpenRouter and stuff, you can just go to the Use Online tab, and you just click this button right here, and then you're going to go to the provider keys on that page and look for the unified key, and just paste it right here. For the model, I would just put auto, because then you can cycle the different ones when you run out of tokens or time for that model, and that'll give you your online if you want online, because a lot of people just want to stay offline and stuff like that, which is fine too. Here's like the basics that it'll recommend to install for like the people with lower base PCs, but it also goes with it works with Ollama. So basically, all you have to do is, and I'm gonna put the link in the bottom of the page, is go to Ollama. You'll see, like, when you pick a model that you want, it'll say run Ollama run, and then the model name. You don't even put the Ollama run. You just copy the name of the model name. You'll put it in here, and then click add, and it'll start downloading process and add it for you. Machine, it'll test your machine and let you know if your PC is good enough, or like give you different model libraries probably. Memory core, I didn't set this up yet, but it's basically Obsidian Vault style. You click make a folder, that'll be your vault, and it'll keep everything secure in your memory, and your memory should be able to keep on, and you'll see a nice grid here once you do so. Chats, this is where you keep like your chats and project logs, and you can delete them as you wish, and you can also like start new projects. I'll just put anything, and then this would be your project folder, and then you just click on that, and then as you're doing it, it'll all come down in here, and then you can delete it as well. Chat, as you go into chat, you're going to see like a OpenRouter, and it'll show you the free ones it has. You can go to like the different models that you want from Ollama. They'll be in here too. And then you can go to FreeLLMAPI online, and that would basically do the same thing as here. You would see your key there, and then you'd be able to see the models that it has for free that you can accept. Or if you just put on auto, it'll just be a random model, and then they'll cycle through. And because of the memory that they all remember, they'll be able to pick up right where you left off and help. We added a Genesis agent, and that'll help you. Like it's pretty much on all the model. It runs through all the models and helps you like get stuff sorted and done. You can also ask it to do stuff on your PC, like do projects on your PC, or go to a certain folder and unzip and install. It'll do it for you. You just got to click OK and give it permission to. You put that security feature in there in case you didn't want something. We added some security features too about the I guess there was like some different people like with mods and stuff that were trying to embed stuff and code into pictures and stuff like that, and it would inject. We put some security measures against that. We also added a different color. You can add your files here, so you'll have your dark and light color. Me personally, I like the dark, but I also like the light because it reminds me of Claude and stuff like that. I really like that sleek setting. But this is basically just kind of showing how to set it up. There'll probably be more updates, and there'll probably be a lot more stuff coming to it. But I'm trying to make a little all-in-one package where someone can just click and install, and it's all ready to go for them. I had a few friends and a few people that I know that just didn't want to do the whole setup process, so I thought it might be easier. But I hope you enjoyed Genesis Grid, and if you have any suggestions, you can there's something you wanted added or something like that, you can just leave a comment. All the links will be in the bottom of stuff that you may need, and have a good one.